stub, sleeping with aloe vera on your face until you hear this. Yes, I know. Aloe vera feels soothing, cooling, natural, but the overnight aloe mask hack that everyone is doing on social media, it can help your skin, or quietly destroy it, and most people don't know the difference. Today, I want to share something personal. A facial health warning. A discovery, a mistake I made, and the simple fix that saved my skin. If you've ever used aloe vera overnight, or you're planning to, please listen carefully. Every sentence could protect your face from irritation, discoloration, or long-term sensitivity. Let's begin. I love skincare, but I also love simple skincare. Natural things that don't cost much, things that work. So, when I kept seeing people apply thick aloe vera gel on their face and sleep with it overnight, I thought, why not? It's aloe. It's safe. It's natural. It can't go wrong, but it did. And that's why I'm making this video. Not to scare you, not to shame anyone, but to guide you, to protect you, and to help you get the true glow that aloe can give without the damage. So, take a breath, sit back, and let me walk you through the truth. You'll hear people say aloe vera is a miracle gel, but, like every ingredient, aloe has a dark side when used the wrong way. These are the 5 bad things that can happen. First, aloe can block your pores overnight. Aloe dries into a film, a thin layer, almost like a seal. When you sleep with it, that layer can trap oil, sweat, and dirt under your skin. This leads to tiny bumps, whiteheads or rough texture, and little pimples that weren't there before. If your skin is already oily, the chance is even higher. This happened to me, and it took days to calm those bumps down. Second, aloe can cause redness and burning on sensitive skin. Aloe contains natural compounds called anthraquinones. They're good for healing, but they are strong. If your skin barrier is weak, aloe can feel burning, itchy, hot, or tight. And the crazy part, you may not feel it immediately. The irritation can build slowly overnight. This is why I always repeat this warning. Test aloe for a few minutes first. Do not jump into overnight use. Third, unfiltered aloe gel can cause allergic reactions. Fresh aloe from the plant contains latex, that yellow sap inside the leaf. Latex can cause rashes, swelling, itching, and even peeling. Most people don't remove the latex correctly before applying fresh aloe. So, if you're using fresh aloe at night, be very, very careful. Wash the gel, soak it, remove that yellow liquid completely. Number 4. Aloe can actually make your skin too dry. Yes, aloe hydrates, but aloe also contains astringent compounds. These can pull moisture from the skin if left on for too long. Stewed overnight, aloe can slowly strip your face, leaving it dry, tight, flaky, and more sensitive than before. Your skin needs its natural oils, and aloe alone can't replace them. And finally, number 5. Aloe can make other products irritate your skin. Aloe increases the penetration of other ingredients. This means if you apply retinol, use brightening serums, exfoliate, or even wear sunscreen the next day, your skin may react more strongly. You might notice stinging, redness, tingling, or blotchiness. Aloe isn't bad, but using it improperly is. This is why the next part is so important. Now, don't worry, I'm not here to cancel aloe vera. Oh, I love aloe. Aloe has helped my skin so many times. These are the 5 good things aloe vera can do when used properly. 2. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about. Aloe vera. You've seen the hacks, the overnight mask trends, and you've probably even tried a few yourself. But what if I told you that the most popular way to use aloe vera might actually be hurting your skin? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the truth about aloe vera, how to use it correctly to get that glowing, healthy skin you've always wanted, and the one common mistake you need to stop making tonight. Let's start with a little story. For years, I struggled with redness, occasional breakouts, and just dull, unhappy skin. I tried everything. Expensive serums, complicated routines, you name it. Then I heard about the aloe vera overnight mask. It sounded like a miracle. Natural, soothing, easy. So, every night, I'd slather a thick layer of aloe gel on my face and go to sleep, expecting to wake up with perfect skin. For the first few days, it seemed okay. My skin felt a little tighter, maybe a bit calmer, but then things started to go wrong. My face felt strangely dry in the mornings, almost tight and dehydrated, even though I was using this super hydrating plant. Little bumps started appearing on my forehead and cheeks. My skin became more sensitive, and products that never bothered me before were suddenly causing irritation. I was so confused. How could this miracle plant be making my skin worse? That's when I went down the research rabbit hole. I talked to dermatologists, read scientific papers, and what I discovered was shocking, beaving. A thick layer of aloe vera on your face overnight is one of the biggest skincare mistakes you can make. And today, I'm going to tell you exactly why, and what you should be doing instead. So, let us break down the 5 major reasons why that overnight aloe mask is undoing you any favors. First, it can actually block your pores. Think about it. Aloe vera gel, especially the thick commercial kind, forms a film over your skin. When you leave this film on for 8 hours, it can trap sweat, oil, and dead skin cells underneath. Instead of letting your skin breathe and repair itself overnight, you're essentially creating the perfect environment for clogged pores and breakouts. It's the opposite of what you want. Second, it can irritate sensitive skin. While we think of aloe as super soothing, leaving it on for an extended period can lead to irritation. The gel dries into a tight film. As you toss and turn in your sleep, this film can create friction against your pillowcase, leading to redness and sensitivity, especially for those of us who already have delicate skin. Third, and this is a big one if you're reusing fresh aloe straight from the plant, aloe latex. The green outer leaf of the aloe plant contains a yellow substance called aloe latex. This compound can be a major allergen for some people, causing contact dermatitis, rashes, and itching. Even if you're careful to only use the clear inner gel, cross-contamination can easily happen. Leaving that on your skin all night is a gamble you don't want to take. Fourth, and this was the light bulb moment for me, it can seriously dry out your skin. I know, it sounds completely backward. Aloe is 99% water, right? But as that water evaporates from the gel on your skin, it can pull moisture from your skin along with it. This is called transepidermal water loss. The gel dries and tightens, leaving your skin's moisture barrier compromised and feeling more dehydrated than when you started. It explains why my face felt so tight and thirsty in the mornings. And finally, number 5, it can make your other skincare products less effective or even cause irritation. The film that aloe creates can act as a barrier, preventing your expensive serums and moisturizers from properly absorbing into the skin. In some cases, it can even trap active ingredients like acids or retinoids against your skin for too long, increasing their potency and leading to overexfoliation and irritation. So, after learning all this, I was ready to throw my tub of aloe vera in the trash, but I realized I wasn't being fair. The problem wasn't the aloe vera itself, it was how I was using it. Aloe vera is still an incredible ingredient with amazing benefits when used correctly. Let us talk about the good stuff, the 5 incredible things aloe can do for your skin when you use it the right way. First, it's a fantastic anti-inflammatory. Aloe contains compounds that are brilliant at calming irritation and redness. If you have a bit of a sunburn, a minor rash, or just angry red pimples, a short contact application of aloe can work wonders to soothe and calm things down almost instantly. Second, it provides deep short-term hydration. The key words here are short-term. When you apply aloe for a brief period, it delivers a powerful shot of hydration and vitamins directly to your skin. It plumps up the skin cells, making your face look fresh, dewy, and full of life. Third, it can help fade dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Aloe contains a compound called aleucin, which has been shown to inhibit the overproduction of melanin that causes those pesky dark spots. With consistent, correct use over time, it can help to gently even out your skin tone. Fourth, it supports your skin's natural recovery process. Aloe is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for skin health. It helps to accelerate cell regeneration, which is crucial for healing blemishes, small cuts, or any form of skin damage. It's like a first aid kit for your face. And fifth, it helps balance oil production. For those with oily or combination skin, this is a game changer. Aloe provides lightweight hydration without feeling greasy. This signals to your skin that it has enough moisture, so it doesn't need to go into overdrive, producing excess oil. The result is a more balanced, less shiny complexion. So, we know the overnight mask is out. And we know that aloe has incredible potential. The question is, how do we unlock those benefits without causing any of the problems? How do we use it the safe and effective way? This brings me to the simple habit that completely transformed my skin. I call it the aloe sandwich method. It's an easy, gentle routine that anyone can incorporate into their skincare. And it gives you all the benefits of aloe with none of the downsides. Here's how it works. It's a 3-step process. Step 1. Start with a clean face. Use your favorite gentle cleanser to wash away all the makeup, dirt, and oil from the day. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. You want a fresh canvas. Step 2. This is the core of the method. Apply a small, thin layer of pure aloe vera gel to your face. You don't need to slather it on. A thin, even layer is perfect. Now, here's the most important part. You only leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Think of it as a quick hydrating mask, not a leave-on treatment. Set a timer. During this time, the aloe works its magic calming, hydrating, and delivering all those wonderful nutrients. Step 3. After 10 or 20 minutes, gently rinse the aloe off with lukewarm water. Don't scrub, just rinse until your skin feels clean and smooth. Pat it dry again. Step 4. The final piece of the sandwich. Apply your usual moisturizer. This is crucial. Spare. After the aloe has hydrated your skin, your moisturizer will lock in that moisture and protect your skin barrier. This prevents the water loss we talked about earlier and keeps your skin soft and supple. And that's it. The aloe sandwich method. Cleanse. Apply a thin layer of aloe for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse and moisturize. It's that simple. By doing this just a few times a week, I noticed a huge difference. The redness on my cheeks calmed down. My skin felt incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. The little bumps disappeared, and my overall texture improved dramatically. My skin just looked healthier, more balanced, and had a natural glow. And because it's so gentle, it's suitable for almost every skin type. Let's do a quick recap of everything we've learned, just to make sure it all sticks. The 5 big don'ts of using aloe vera, especially as an overnight mask, are: it can block your pores, irritate sensitive skin, the latex in fresh aloe can cause allergies, it can dry your skin out over time due to water evaporation, and it can interfere with your other skincare products. So, let us all make a pact right now. No more sleeping with a thick layer of aloe on our faces. But we're not giving up on aloe. The 5 amazing benefits, when used correctly, are: it calms irritation and redness, provides a fantastic shot of deep hydration, helps fade dark spots, supports your skin's natural healing process, and balances oil production. And the safe, effective way to get all these benefits is the aloe sandwich method. Remember the steps. Apply a thin layer to a clean face. Leave it on for only 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off completely. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock it all in. I recommend doing this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Aloe vera isn't dangerous or bad for your skin. It's just widely misunderstood. Like any powerful tool, you have to know how to use it. 2. You've seen the viral trend, right? Slathering on aloe vera and leaving it on overnight, promising baby soft skin by morning. It sounds like a dream. But what if I told you this popular hack could be quietly damaging your skin? Today, we're busting this myth, and I'm going to show you the correct way to use aloe vera for that glow you're after, without any of the risks. Let's get right into it. Spells. Why is leaving aloe vera on your face overnight a bad idea? First, aloe vera has a natural tightening effect. When left on 4 hours, it can seriously dehydrate your skin. It forms a film that, instead of locking moisture in, can actually pull moisture out. Think about it. You wake up, and your skin feels tight, dry, and sometimes even irritated. That's your skin barrier crying for help. Plus, For those with sensitive or acne-prone skin, leaving a thick layer on all night can clog pores and lead to breakouts. It's the exact opposite of what you want. So, how do we harness the incredible power of aloe vera without these side effects? It's all about using it correctly. Here's the safe and effective method. First, always start with a clean face. Gently wash away any makeup, dirt, and oil from the day. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Now, here's the key. Apply a thin layer of pure aloe vera gel. You don't need to goop it on like you're frosting a cake. A light, even layer is all it takes for the active compounds to work their magic. Next, and this is the most important part, set a timer. You only need to leave the aloe vera on for about 10 to 20 minutes. That's it. This is the sweet spot. It's enough time for your skin to absorb the soothing, anti-inflammatory, and hydrating benefits without causing any dryness or irritation. Think of it as a quick, refreshing flash mask, not a deep-soaking overnight treatment. Once your 10 or 20 minutes are up, it's time to rinse loose, lukewarm water, and gently wash the gel off your face. Don't scrub. Your skin is delicate. Pat it dry again. Your skin should feel refreshed and calm, not tight or sticky. But wait, we're not done yet. This next step is non-negotiable for locking in the benefits. After rinsing off the aloe, immediately apply your favorite moisturizer. This is crucial. The aloe has calmed and prepped your skin, and the moisturizer will now seal in that hydration and create a protective barrier. This 1-2 punch of aloe followed by moisturizer gives you that plump, dewy look we're all aiming for. Now, how often should you do this? Aloe vera is potent, so you don't need to use it every single day. A few times a week is perfect. Listen to your skin. If it feels great, maybe you do it 3 times a week. If you notice any sensitivity, scale back. The goal is to supplement your skincare routine, not replace it. So, let's recap the safe aloe vera routine. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera. Step 3. Leave it on for only 10 to 20 minutes. Step 4. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. And Step 5. Follow up immediately with a good moisturizer. Aloe vera itself isn't dangerous, it's just widely misunderstood. When you use it the right way, it can be a game changer for your skin, helping with redness, irritation, and providing a light dose of hydration. But when used incorrectly, like leaving it on overnight, it can quietly strip your skin of its natural moisture and compromise your skin barrier. Now you know the truth behind the overnight aloe mask myth. If you care about your skin's long-term health and want to achieve that natural, lasting glow without the risk, then I urge you to use aloe wisely. Be gentle with your skin. Avoid the common overnight mistakes and instead follow this simple, effective routine. Your face deserves to be treated with care and respect. It deserves patience. And it deserves the right ingredients used at the right time. Your skin journey matters, and it's all about making smart, informed choices. Let's glow up, but let's do it safely. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to treat your skin with the love it deserves, please hit that like button. Leave a comment below with your own aloe vera experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest facial health tips, natural remedies, and simple routines that actually work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.